Hey guys, happy Thursday. Oh my god, I probably should have got my tray out before I scooted my seat back, because that's my first day. It's my first day doing this. It's a hot one today. It's like 80 degrees. I have a hot lunch. I had 2 glazed donuts this morning, but I'm still hungry. Oh my gosh. My nails are all like peeling and splitting. Okay, it's so funny because last night I was editing a video, and in that video I was gonna be going to a transfer meeting to transfer to a permanent spot at one of the 4 buildings. Well, today at work, the main boss lady was there, and she came over and told me that she wanted to let me know that there's a transfer meeting tonight for a spot starting next year that's closer to home. And since Jax won't be in preschool in this town next year, I wouldn't have to drive all the way to this town at all next year. Well, she's like, I'd have to go to the meeting tonight at like 4:15. It's like, oh my gosh, you're not giving me much time to think about it. Okay, so today's lunch, you can't even see it because I'm new here. We have, ooh, yummy, mashed potatoes. Is there gravy in them? I don't know. Mashed potatoes, I think there's gravy and cheese. Okay, so there's mashed potatoes and gravy and cheese. And then this is corn, which I'm not supposed to eat, so I'll just eat a little bit. And then we have chicken. So like all mixed together would be like a KFC bowl. So yeah. Yummy lunch today. There it is, mashed potatoes and gravy and cheese. Mmm. Look at the cheese. Ooh. And then all this chicken. Dang it, I wish I had a ranch. Or honey mustard. Just a little bit, Angie. You don't want to be in pain. I've made some really good friends here. Just this morning I saw how much these ladies are just so sweet. And that's what I said, but I don't want to leave you guys. I don't want to leave my friends. She said, don't you worry about it. She said, you just do what's best for you and your kids. That was Jeannie, the motherly one that. So I was upset yesterday and just like closed the door and said, come here and give me a big hug. And just like let me sob on her shoulder. Oh, decisions. Like deep down in my heart, I want to go to the spot that's opening. It's like I just transferred to here. I didn't transfer, I just got a permanent spot here. I don't want to go to this meeting tonight to transfer, and then my next, let's see, 5 days next week, I want to My last 6 work days are awkward. But no. Ask and you shall receive. Get out of here, cotton. I'm hearing music or something somewhere. So if I take the spot, which I'm going to do, it's like a huge blessing being handed to me right when I need it. I won't be using the gas to get to work and back, driving all the way here. I won't be walking around stores or sitting in my car for 2 hours before work and an hour after work. I'd be able to take the kids to school, go to the gym if I wanted to. I'll have like 3 hours, or just go home. And after work, just go home. If something came up with my car, I could walk. I mean, that's quite a walk, but I mean, it is possible. And she was telling me that there's a program, she had to get it approved, but she got it approved. So all during the summer, I can go to one of the schools. They're doing it at 2 schools. I can go to one of the schools and get a lunch, 1 lunch a day per kid for like the next 7 days. So every Tuesday I can go pick up 21 lunches. So the kids will have a lunch. I don't want to get too excited and think that my struggles are finally coming to an end, because every time I think that things are going to start going the right way, they go back downhill. But for the last so long, it's just been like a constant struggle daily. Trying to figure out there's so many things. All right. Do you ever just sit and think about all the things that have happened to you, good and bad? You're sitting there like, wow, I've really been through some shit. And on the other hand, be like, wow, I've really been through some shit. Made it through, learned lessons. And think about good things, ones that you didn't really think about at the time. Like, wow, this is why this happened. Look at all these things that happened that are like so great that I didn't really notice in the moment. It's a crazy game, this thing we call life. You ever think to yourself, not even say it out loud, just think it to yourself, questions about things, and then they're answered? Crazy. beautiful day. It's been a crazy week and not the best week, but a beautiful day. Excuse me. All right, that's gonna be a wrap on lunch. I'll save my spoon in case Jax wants corn. And yeah, I started making some lists this morning in my little notebook I have in here. My wants, my needs, my happiness. Because like I really, sometimes I sit and think like, what really makes me happy? Obviously my kids make me happy, but it's like, even the littlest thing, like having my toes painted just makes me happy. Like I just feel so, I feel so much better and like happier and like cute. Like if my nails are done, like I paint my nails myself, like they're all broken. And like if my roots are done, if I have a tan, if if my toes are painted, if my nails, like just all these little things, I need to start like figuring them into my life and making them happen, because to some that might be stupid, but hey, but some people drinking beer makes them happy, and what they do, they make sure they have beer in their fridge to drink. So it's the same thing. Never think that anything that you plan for yourself is stupid, because it doesn't matter what other people think or what they might think of what you're doing or saying. If it makes you happy and it works for you, that's all that matters. So yeah, that's all I got for you today. So yeah, I thank you for watching. Thank you for having lunch with me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.